It's my RSV2. Yes. And it's 7:20. It took that long to come. It's the 22nd, and it came. Okay. Oh, it's cold in there. Gotta try and pull it out. No. I don't need just this box. Jack will lay in this box for sure. Oh, packing peanuts.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they're all falling out. No. Now Jack likes that. Where'd the cutting thing go? Oh my gosh. Ashley. Oh, here it is. What? Don't get annoyed with recording. I'm recording you open it. Actually, don't flip it over. And actually, you can't. I don't think wait. Woo! Oh, party. Actually, oh, he's in a bag. Oh, there he is. He's in a bag. So how much did they have to put in? The instructions, they printed it off the internet. Here's the remote. Oh, that's it. No bowling pins or balls because maybe this isn't a bowling one. Oh, what? Confetti camera. Here he is. No batteries came in them. Well, they probably did, but I'm sure they ran dead because it's so cold out there. It ate up all the batteries because it feels kind of heavy. So I think it had batteries in it. Wow, seriously, did they have to pack it like this? Oh, they have paper around the way.
Ashley, dang it.
But Jordan dumped them out. I didn't open it.
I want that picked up right now.
I didn't, but I wasn't the one who spilled it. But you started playing with it. It was deep in there. This was way deep in there, inside. Here he is.
No, you're going to have to push yourself off and clean
I
yourself
love
up.
your robotics modeled RSV2, fusion of technology and personality.
Now you're going
They're here. Whoa, Waffle, watch Jordan. Ashley, I was fine. I stopped it immediately when he came up. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna film it. Yes, buddy. You get to go in here after I take everything out, okay? But you have to wait.
Are they both in there? Oh man, it's not like the red one. The red one had a lot of packing peanuts in there.
And this one has a lot more.
It has both of them in there. I gotta set my camera
Where's
down.
my $100?
I gave you the $100. Whoops.
Yeah, where's Mama's $100?
Oh my god.
Oh, and there's the other black one.
Oh my god. That's a lot of people on it.
Nothing else, no remotes, but I have remotes. Look it, there's the black one. This is the one that has the scratches on it. That means. This is one that was shown in the picture. This one doesn't have scratches on it. Whoa, they're a lot different. They're taking a bath in peanuts.
Look at how
How can you know? I'm scared of those things. I could die.